All right, guys, today I missed a really big trade on MRNA. It was really painful to watch an amazing trade goes and I couldn't catch that move. But that's the reality of trading. Sometimes you're missing the trades that you have confidence, but you shouldn't follow and chase that trade because the opportunity is gone. I'm gonna walk you through the trade that I did not take. And also, I wanna talk about how the patience helped me to take another trade that was amazing on NVDA. So if you miss a trade, that's okay. There's another opportunity. The market is volatile, and every single day or every single hour, you might find that big trade that helped your day. Besides, I want to walk you through some of our funded account traders at Trading Terminal. There are some really nice trading, very big payouts by our traders. And a lot of people are asking me, Andrew, I don't have a lot of money to trade. What should I do? I think the best way of building the trading skill is to go through some of the funded account programs. Trading Terminal offers you a $50,000 simulator training account that you can actually take profit from that. That's way better and way more efficient than using your own money to actually learn the skills of trading. And please like the video. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. So we had a great trading day. Moderna was one of the really nice trades that unfortunately I didn't take, but a lot of people in the chat room took that trade. From 146 that when I went there and I got a stop out, came out, and now it's going toward 160. The big order market atlas, it shows that it's going to go toward 160, and but it's kind of too late for me to chase it. And what I want to show you is what I saw on a daily chart and market atlas and why we had it on our watches. So Moderna had the news of obviously curing the cancer a few days ago, popped up and then chopped around for a couple of days. And today, gapped up again in the peer market. There's really good volume. And I was, thinking that there is a potential to go at least toward this level that 3 days ago tested that. So that level turned out to be also a very nice level on market atlas at around 160, huge order. And as you see, there's nothing to the downside on the market atlas, and there's big order toward 160. That means that all the orders, all the traders are expecting the price is going to go toward that. But execution is important. So execution is everything. Sometimes you know the direction, it's going to go, but you just cannot execute this properly. So at the opened very strong. I went long, tested the VWAP. I added more, popped up, but for some reason I got out of it because I felt that, I had a couple of issues at the open. My computer was slow. I had to restart. And then I jumped into NVDA trade, which was also a big position and turned out to be a really nice trade, and I got out of it. As soon as I got out of it, it just
NVDA announcing
continue going out. Sorry, I just messed up that. Going out, and right now, as you're seeing here, it's going to go toward the 160. Amazing. So we did make a little bit of money on that, a small trade that I did on it. This is my profit and loss that you can see it. It's a small trade, $2,000. But as you see, this 160 is going to get filled. The better trade that I did was NVDA. And one of the reasons that I got out of it was because NVDA was so good that I, said, okay, this MRNA might be a little bit choppy. I got out of it and, we eventually made a really good trade on NVDA. And I'm going to walk you through NVDA trade that I did. So, okay, just to see the Moderna, just to keep an eye on it here, is going to go toward 160. This order is going to get filled. This is a real order. It's going to get filled. Quickly go through an NVDA. This is another trade that we had on NVDA. So NVDA on a daily chart, was selling up a few days ago. Today showed some strength, and tomorrow is the earnings for NVDA. So what we saw here was a very nice pre-market level. So this is a very nice pre-market level. Sold off, came up, and that was a really good squeeze candlestick that I really like. So I jumped in long, added more, and we had all of these market atlas signals for it to go higher toward 215. So if I switch to NVIDIA here, we had all the orders in that time toward 215, which was very clear. I have some screenshots that I'm going to show you as well. So I added more multiple times, all the way up, went up to 214.73. Never hit the 215, but it was a really nice move that we got. Actually, if you come into our Discord channel, I'm posting a lot of these trades in our Discord and also in the chat room as well. So if I zoom in a little bit in the morning, so this is a trade at 9:37. So I'm going to post this screenshot. You see, do we have the 215? This is the trade that I did, and I added more here. These screenshots are in Discord, and also on the channel as well, on the BBT chat room. This one is free if you guys want to join. So this is the Moderna at 160. We called it at this time, and again, just go back time. There's a lot of these screenshots are actually there that a lot of traders are sharing their trades. So here's the Nvidia trade. When I added more on that, you guys can see it in the chat room as well, 212, 213. So that's why I actually added more here and here toward that. In that time was up 2%. So yeah, so if you're not part of the chat room, if you don't want to pay for the chat room, it's fine. You can go to YouTube or in Discord. We're active also in the afternoon as well. And we take these trades and we share as much as possible. So this is a trade that Ayman did on NVDA. Pretty much same entry as me, maybe a little bit better. And a lot of traders in the chat room, SMCI took that. It was really nice. Tom is a really good trader. Marvel, this is a very, very nice move on that as well. And, Moderna, this is the Moderna that I called it at 944 for 155. In that time was 155. So it wasn't 160 in that time yet. So again, when I got out of it and started moving up, I saw that 155, but I just decided not to get back in there because sometimes you see a trade is working, but you don't necessarily need to be in all of the trades. I was making really good money today, and today was enough for me. And this is a trade that Ayman did. It's pretty nice. And as you see, there's a lot of traders sharing their trades. It's a really good environment if you want. That's free, guys, if you want to come join. And remember, any Discord that you go, we never contact you for crypto, WhatsApp, funded account management money. Never send money to anybody through these Discords because there are some scams going on. But coming to the funded, to this website, guys, bearabletraders.com/funded, and you see the traders that are trading. So we had Marco that made $10,000 again, and the profits are coming. Alicia at $63,000. These are the recent profits that we paid. So it's doing pretty good, and I hope that you guys come and take advantage of this funded account that we are having at Trading Terminal. And if you have any question, let me know, guys. If not, all the best. Ciao, ciao.
I really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think, because I like to make more recap and more videos for you. Biggest IPO in history happened, and I had one of my best day trading days, over $100,000 profit on a SpaceX. One day before the IPO, I published a video that I talked about my plan and what I'm looking for, what indicators and what chart patterns I'm looking for to trade the IPO. The day of the IPO, I exactly traded based on the plan that I published the day before, live on YouTube.
Happy that everybody can watch this. Really exciting, and in a spacesuit.
In YouTube, in front of everybody, and that live has been seen by over 40,000 people so far. Now, in this recap, I'm going actually to show the recording of the trade that I had, which is also available with my commentary on YouTube on the live channel. So you can actually see exactly step by step to take the trade, manage my trade, get out and re-enter the position, put the orders, and especially Market Atlas really helped me because in the IPO is an uncharted territory, no man's land. You don't have the pivot points, you don't have any previous daily levels, and Market Atlas is a tool that can really, really help you to take profit and manage your position and expect a good profit target.